Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up an organization-wide email address in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you want your entire team to send emails from a shared company address like support@company.com rather than their personal Salesforce email. It creates consistency and professionalism in all your customer communications. Let's walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Setup. This takes you to the main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll see a quick find box on the left side of your screen. This search tool is incredibly handy for navigating Salesforce's extensive settings. In this box, type organization-wide addresses. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the available options to match your search. When you see organization-wide addresses appear in the results, go ahead and select it. This brings you to the page where you can manage all your company-wide email addresses. Now you're ready to create your new organization-wide email address. On this page, you'll see a section labeled User-Selectable Organization-Wide Email Addresses. Next to this section, click the Add button. This opens up the form where you'll configure your new email address. The first field you'll encounter is Display Name. Here you want to enter a descriptive name that clearly identifies what this email address is used for. For example, if you're setting up a support email, you might type Support Team. This name will help your team members easily identify which email address to use when sending messages. Next, you'll need to enter the actual email address in the email address field. Type in the company email you want to use, making sure to include the full address. For instance, if your support email is support@company.com, enter it exactly as it appears, with the @ symbol and .com included. Below the email address field, you'll see a checkbox labeled Allow all profiles to use this from address. Select this checkbox to ensure that everyone in your organization, regardless of their profile or permission level, can use this email address when sending messages. This is particularly important if you want consistent branding across all outbound communications. Finally, click the Save button to complete the setup. Salesforce will now process your request and send a verification email to the address you just entered. Keep in mind that you'll need to verify ownership of this email address before your team can start using it, so make sure someone has access to that inbox to complete the verification process. And that's it. You've successfully set up an organization-wide email address in Salesforce, allowing your team to send professional, consistent messages from a shared company email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.